Good morning. Welcome to another video on the Luderco Arms channel. So this morning we've got to put a cabin air filter in my wife's 2024 Toyota RAV4. So this thing we still have like the free service there at the Toyota dealership that came with it when we bought it, which I don't really like. I'd rather do it myself, but since I'm paying for it, might as well take their free stuff. But when we had the service done, they suggested replacing this cabin air filter, and of course I'm not going to pay them to do it, so we're going to do it. So I ordered a cabin air filter off of Amazon. I think it was like $9. Says right on it, RAV4, Sienna, Venza, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, we're going to see about doing this. And get the camera set up here. So to get to the filter, it's behind the glove box here. So you open the glove box, and we're probably going to have to take all of this out because it's going to dump on the floor if we don't. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is come right over here on this side. And you see this piece here, that's the thing. So you just need to hook your thumb behind it and pop it off of there. It's just on a little stud. See? So that's loose. And then what you basically need to do is come on each side of the glove box and just kind of push it in. And what you're doing is you got these tabs right here. There's one on each side, and you're just pushing them in so that it'll release and come down like that. And you can just leave it sitting just like that. So now that we've got that out of the way, up inside of here, right up here, there's a plate that covers the cabin air filter. And it's got little clips on the end, and you just got to squeeze those together, and the plate will come off, and you'll note it's got up and an arrow on there, so you can put it back on in the right spot. So we took that off, we'll set it to the side, and behind it there's a tray, like a plastic tray, and we're going to pull that out like so. So there's our tray, and you'll notice on the tray it also says up with an arrow. So what you want to do is reach in here, and you'll see it's got 4 tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you just got to kind of push in on the filter so you can lift it above those tabs. Now here's something to take note of. You'll notice that this factory original filter has the same up with the arrow, like the plastic does here. When you get your new filter element, it may have the up arrow, in which case you will put it in the same fashion that you took out the old one. But if it's got, let me get it out of the package here, it's in plastic. If it's like this one's got the charcoal in it, you'll see it doesn't say up, it says airflow with an arrow pointing down. So if your filter says up, obviously that goes up. If your filter has the airflow with the arrow pointing down, then that does in fact go down. So what we're going to do is take this new filter and set it in here. Set it under the tabs at the back, and then at the front you just got to kind of push in on it. Just be careful not to damage it, and you get it in there just like so. So now that's ready to go in. We can take our old air filter and throw it back in the box so we can throw it in the trash when we're done. All right, so now you just take your tray, go back inside the car here, and get down here. And you'll see we can stick that back in the hole we took it out of, and it will slide up in there. You'll may have to wiggle it around a little bit to get it all the way up in there, but once you got it in there, then you take your plastic cover. Again, you got the arrow showing you which way it goes on there, and it should just snap back over the top of that. But once you get it in the right spot, there we go. So that's back on. Then you pull your glove box up until it catches on the latches, like so. Grab all of your wife's stuff and put it back in there like it was. Come over here on the side and take your little latch piece and stick it back on the little stud and push it on like so. And we're done. Nothing to it. Pretty simple. And that is all you have to do to replace the cabin air filter on a Toyota RAV4. In case y'all are ever wondering, because I've had people ask why I'm always have the safety glasses on even when I'm doing stuff that doesn't involve, it's because they have readers built into them. Otherwise I can't see what I'm doing close up. Anyways, so that's it. Quick and easy. Appreciate y'all watching. Give us a like. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. Every little bit helps. And we will see you in the next video. Y'all have a good one.